Have you ever felt your body heavy, inflamed, low on energy, even when you're trying to eat well? What if I told you there's a 100% natural juice, with no added water, that can help reduce inflammation in your body, support type 2 diabetes management, and even boost your energy? Today, I'm going to show you how to make the healthiest juice in the world, a true health concentrate, made only with medicinal ingredients. If you want to transform your health naturally, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe here to Healthy You, and turn on the bell, because here you'll learn recipes that truly nourish you and take care of your body. This juice could be the first step to changing how your body feels every single day. And at the end of the video, I'll share an essential tip to make its effects even more powerful. Let's go! We live in a society where food often causes chronic inflammation, leading to fatigue, bloating, and even diseases like type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. This green juice is different. It's anti-inflammatory, rich in minerals, plant-based iron, and antioxidants. It's a powerful ally for those seeking more energy and wellness. Important, it does not replace medical treatment, but it can be an amazing complement. Always consult a doctor before adding it to your routine. Let's get to the ingredients. It all starts with 1 cucumber, rich in minerals and antioxidants. Keep the peel for maximum benefits. Use organic when possible to avoid pesticides, but if not, use what you have. Cut off the ends and set aside. Next, half an apple with the peel on. It adds a sweet touch, perfect for those starting a healthier diet. If you prefer a no-fructose version, feel free to skip the apple. Now for the turmeric, a small piece about the size of a fingernail, or 1/4 teaspoon of pure powdered turmeric, no starch. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory with a slight bitterness. Next is ginger, a small piece, also about the size of a fingernail. It's also highly anti-inflammatory, but be cautious if you take medication for high blood pressure. Half a lemon goes in to provide vitamin C, which helps absorb plant-based iron. A handful of mint adds antioxidant phenolic compounds. You can swap it for basil, fresh oregano, or lemongrass. Get creative, then to kale leaves rich in iron or any dark leafy green. Finally, a small piece of carrot. It helps with blending and adds a light sweetness. Which herb would you use in this juice? Tell me in the comments. Time to make it. In a blender, add the cucumber first, close to the blade, then the apple, turmeric, ginger, lemon, mint, and kale. Use the carrot to push everything down toward the blades. No water, that's the secret of a live juice, packed with pure nutrients from the veggies. Blend quickly to avoid oxidation. The result will be a fibrous paste, so it's time to strain. Use a clean cloth, squeeze well, and watch the vibrant juice come out. Have you ever tried a green juice like this? Share your experience in the comments and like the video. How to drink it. The ideal way is to drink it daily, on an empty stomach, for maximum absorption. No time during the week, make it on the weekends. Drink it 30 minutes before or 2 hours after a meal. Don't store it in the fridge, nutrients oxidize. If needed, freeze it, but the best option is to drink it fresh. This juice is a true energy boost. Try it for breakfast. Have you had your green juice today? Let me know in the comments and share this video with someone who needs a health boost. To upgrade your routine, here are some bonus tips. Switch up the herbs for new flavors like basil or lemongrass. Start with half an apple if your taste buds are still used to sugar. Over time, you can reduce the apple to make the juice even purer. Want more ideas for an anti-inflammatory diet? Like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any of our amazing recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.